Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy trade with Lucid Trading. First, join the Lucid Trading community. You can do this by joining their Discord, Telegram, or official platform where they share trade signals and analysis. This is where you will get the information needed to copy trades. Next, open your trading account. Use a broker or platform such as TradingView for analysis and MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 for executing trades. Make sure your account is set up and ready before copying any trades. After that, wait for trade signals from the Lucid Trading community. These signals usually include important details like the entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. Now, copy the trade by opening your trading platform and entering the same entry price, stop loss, and take profit exactly as provided. Then adjust your lot size based on your account balance and risk management. Finally, manage the trade by monitoring its progress. You can close the trade when the target is hit or when the signal provider gives an update to exit the trade. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.